Hey everyone, welcome back to Hair by Hannah. If this is your first time, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do this faux short bubble braid. As some of you probably know, my hair is almost to my knees. So getting my hair to look like this is all I have is pretty much a big deal. So today I just want to show you how you can do this faux bubble braid with super long hair. And yeah, let's get started. But first, coffee. So I got a lot of really good feedback from this style that I posted on my Instagram page a couple of days ago, and a lot of people said they wanted a hair tutorial, so that's what I'm going to be doing today for you guys. It's just a really good, simple style if you have really long hair and you want it up out of the way. If you want some more style suggestions for long hair to get it up out of the way, I will link a video in this description for you with a couple other hairstyles for that. So this style is pretty versatile. The last time I did it, I had my hair in overnight braids, so I had a nice wavy texture, but today I'm just going to be doing it with straight hair. I don't have a mirror because I'm sitting in my bedroom, so I'm not really sure how this is going to look. All you need for this style are some rubber bands and a pick just to detangle your hair, and then some sort of hair scarf. I'm using this one that I got at Forever 21. You can also use scrunchies for this. I have a couple here that would be really cute. So first what you're going to do is take your rubber bands. You need a pretty strong one for the top. You can of course use a regular hair elastic because I'm sure some of you ladies have hair super thick and these just will not work for you. So definitely just use a regular ponytail holder or your favorite hair elastic because it's going to be covered up anyways. So I'm taking 2 of the bigger ones to make it a little bit stronger. I'm just going to double it around there twice. Pull this out. That feels even enough. I don't know, I can't see it. Okay, I'm just going to use my phone front-facing camera as a mirror. Just get the front however you want it. You can slick it back, you can put it in a high ponytail, ponytail in the back, side, either side, it doesn't matter. You're going to take a medium or bigger rubber band, it just depends on the thickness of your hair, and you're going to start a bubble braid. And some people ask me how I get the bubbles to be poofy, and you literally just pull them like this. Pull the sides and then you pull the front and back, and that's how you get it to be poofy. And if you want to keep your braid, your bubble braid from getting flyaways, definitely spray it with hairspray first. Okay, so I'm only going to do 2 bubbles because I want my braid to be about this long. So in order for it to be this long, I'm going to stop here, and then what you're going to do is loop this behind like this, and then this is going to be your bottom bubble. Take a rubber band, so keep it on the back side so that it's a little bit less noticeable. And then line up your rubber bands with the ones that you put in for your bubble braid. Last piece hanging here, I'm going to take my hair elastic, stretch it out here, and then pull this through, and then wrap it around. And then and I just secured it with a bobby pin. Now I'm going to take my hair scarf. You can pull out these strings here and curl them, do the front however you want. And that is how I do the faux short bubble braid. I really hope you guys like this tutorial. If you do, please like this video and comment. Let me know what you would like to see more of and what you thought of this style. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Hannah Graley. I really appreciate all of your guys' support and your return visits. It means the world to me. Thank you guys so much for watching.